guys and welcome to ArtX, and today we are going to learn how to color different fruits together. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Now I have took the light from my left side, so the right side of every object will be a little bit darker as compared to the left side, and highlights will be occurring at the left side.
Wastelands through the highways, and on we'll go.
To show the dark part of the cherries, I have used dark maroon by mixing crimson and a little bit of black, and for pear, I have used olive green by mixing green and brown.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
If you really learned and enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share and comment the video, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update of our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.